Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use Google Docs for the beginner's guide. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. First and foremost, from my laptop, what is Google Docs? So whatever you are using Word documents, similarly Google Docs will help you to create the documents using your Googles. So Google is providing Google Docs. So once you browse Google, so on your right hand side you can log in with your email account and you will find an option called Google Applications. So this is the free application you can use anywhere from your mobile and your laptop as well as your desktop. So you can select your docs. Once you select the docs, Google Docs will be open here. So this is a Google Docs formal template models. So you can identify blank document, letter, resume and everything will be there, and you can able to identify and you can able to create a new templates with the help of the recent templates. For example, I just want to create a brochure, I just want to create a project proposal, and I just want to create a resume. I can use these options. Otherwise, I just click here for the blank workbook. So where it will be stored? In your Google Drive it will be stored. For example, I just create a documents means everything will be stored in my Google Drive so that I can get it from anywhere else, from different kind of systems. Using the internet connection I can get that. So I just want to create a blank workbook, that is blank document. Just click blank. So this is the blank document. So you can able to identify and you can able to check. So on the top you will find details. So untitled document, because now only I created, so this is untitled document. I just want to create like a beginner's guide from the Google Docs. So I just type Google Docs. So what are the file names and my name? I can give my name. Fine. So this is the file name which I have given on top, and on downside you will find option called file menu, edit menu and insert menu. All the menus will be there. So once I type here the rename, and it will be stored there. For example, I just click here, so it will direct you to the Google Drives. So the Google Docs will be stored in your Google Drives, so you can able to identify where your file located perfectly, so that it will be in online. So this is the menus, and you can make a video call from that, so that you can create a document, you can collaborate with your friends and you can have access, and you can click here to share with your neighbors. For example, you have the official details you want to share with anyone else, you can share so that they can able to view and they can able to edit whatever they can collaborate with that. For example, I just click here for I can share with my friend, and he is the editor or viewer or commenter. I can give the permission. For example, if I give viewer means he can only view the document, he cannot edit. If I can give a commenter means he can give the commenter but he can't do anything. And I can give an editor means he can do whatever I'm typing, he can also type. So to collaborate, to work with that. So if I click send option means automatically he will get the notification, so that suddenly he can able to access the entire things. So this is what the sharing option. Once you share the option means shared with one person will be there. So you can click here to remove the sharing option. So you can remove access means automatically the sharing option will be removed, and you can save according to your needs. On your downside you will find a quick action menus will be there. For example, you want to make undo, redo, and you can take a print, you can make a spelling errors, and you can make 100% zoom, and you can choose the font style and font size and bold, italic, everything will be there. This is a quick menu. You can create a document means you can have access with this quick menu. So now this is the part you can create your document. So on top you will find option called a ruler box, so that you can type your document in that borders option. So I just type here to welcome to docs. So this is the docs, welcome to docs I have given here. So whatever I'm typing, if you can enter, I can type whatever information. So this is the documents for education. So I have given some details one. So now I just want to give a font style, font color, everything. I just click here to select and use the quick menu option to give the font name and font size and colors and bold and what are the underlines and what are the things I can make, so according to my need. For example, I just want to insert the image, so here there will be insert image, upload from the computer, so I can upload from the computer, or I can from the system, so I can use just select the picture and insert the picture, means the picture will be insert. So using this corner option I can reduce the size of the image, so I can move these pictures anywhere else. So I can choose here to move a text, and position also I can fix according to my position, I can fix in the image. So while you insert the picture itself, automatically you will get option. If you want to crop the picture, you can click here to crop image, so quick menu will be activated through the image option, so you can crop the image and you can have access with your images. So this is a beautiful option. If you want to replace the image, just click here for the replace and upload your image from your thing, and you can replace the image as well. So this is a beautiful option while you insert the image. So nearby you will find an option called alignment. For example, so this is, I just want to make alignment, just click a center or a left alignment or justification will be available, so I can give according to my needs. And if I want to insert the menus, for example, I just want to give a bullet or checklists, I can give, so checklists for example, and docs, and if I give enter, means automatically I will create Excel and PowerPoint, so I can give according to my needs. For example, I just want to give some informative method in the bulletin numbering, so I just click here for bulletin number options, so I can give Apple, so I can give whatever I want. So this is a beautiful option while you create a documents, means you can have entire quick list options to create your documents. For example, everything, whatever you are typing, everything will be stored in your Google Drives, so that you can able to identify what are the options you have did. So file menu will give a new documents and make a copy and open the documents, and you can send an email and you can download the files. Everything will be done here. And edit menu will be given you copy paste option. For example, I just browse something else. For example, I just have a universe, so I just have some text over here, just copy the text over here, and I just go to edit menu to paste, or I can give a control V option to give a paste options, and I can undo option and redo the option. I can cut, copy, paste, and I can select all the entire document, or I can make a find and replacement. For example, Apple should be replaced with apples, so I can find option, so one matches there, I can replace this word and just click replace. Automatically it will replace here as a find and replace option. And view menu will give you print layout and show ruler and show the outline will be there. If you want to see the full screen, this is the full screen option of your document. Just click escape option, the full screen will be go off, and you can insert the image, table and drawing. For example, I just want to insert the table in my Google Docs, so remove the bullets and numbering and insert table, and I can give and insert the table. Automatically the table will be insert, so I can type whatever I want, and using the tab menu I can type whatever informations I want, I can give. So for example, insert a drawing option, so I can give the drawing, and I can insert the chart, and I can insert emojis, horizontal things, everything will be done through this option. So using this format menu, I can create a format option. For example, if I want to make a text as a bold and paragraph alignment and columns, everything will be done through the options of format. For example, I'm typing some information, I want to make this one as a 2 columns or 3 columns. What I have to do here, so just select this particular menus and just go to columns, make as a 2, so automatically 2 columns will be divided. So 2 columns already created and the box will be there. Similarly, I can give the bullet and numbering, header and footer, page numbers. For example, I want to create a page number, so select the page number and start the page number and click apply, means automatically the page number will be applied on the top of my page. So this is a beautiful option. Using this option I can create my document, I can make a print, click a quick menu to take a print. So this is a easy way you can make a document, you can create a document from online, from your mobile or from your laptop, and you can share anyone else. Without that, this is a quick and easy beginner guide. If you want to brief, comment in the comment box so that I can give a brief intro as well as brief about the tutorial in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.